Alright, so here's the mower I built. So, for the components, got a FR Sky radio. The drive is all on one stick, so forward, backward, right, left. This is a kill switch for the mower. Got a little LED that shows if it's armed. And then on top here, it's a GPS puck for a Pixel cube that isn't installed right now. A FPV transmitter antenna. I did run FPV on it for a few times, but it shakes a lot and there's a lot of jello in the video, so it makes you seasick. But inside, main components, that's a Sabertooth 2x32 motor driver, two Ryobi low power 4 amp hour batteries, and then a X8R receiver for RC control. Then the blue box is there. That is a relay set. I'm only using one at the moment, but I could use another one for a mower that has an electric starter or something like that. That's used to kill the mower. It's set to normally close, so if it loses power or anything like that, the mower will shut off. The ignition system on the mower is very noisy, so that little box right there with the red lettering is a optical kill switch. Try and alleviate some of that noise that comes through the kill switch wires, but it doesn't do a very good job. It'll still freak out every once in a while. And I just have a battery monitor hooked up. I can see the amp draw, so that was just a full power pass to bring it back to the spot it's in. At 29 amps, 540 watts. Voltage there, 20 volts. The power system is an old Pronto, I think it's an M50 electric wheelchair. One of the zero-turn units, so you have two motors that come on those. The batteries that came with it were dead. I just use them as ballast now to get a little bit more traction and weight shift back. It spins the tires if it's trying to turn, if those aren't in it. Some knobby tires I picked up off Amazon, directly replaced the wheelchair tires that were on it. They were smooth and didn't have very good traction. Front is the rear wheels off of the Invacare. The front ones, although the mounting looks cool for them and the bearing holder and everything, they're aluminum. I have all steel, so couldn't weld that. Nice little booger welds everywhere, holding everything together. The mower itself I found on the side of the road, so no harm, no foul in chopping that thing up. It leaks oil and everything else that old mowers do, but if it runs, right? Then the leakiest gas tank I've ever seen in my life, brand new. It's porous gas if it's over half full. But half a tank on this thing will mow my 2,000 square foot yard probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 times before I have to refill it. That's the basic gist of it. The kill switch. Let's get up underneath. So it's grounded there to the motor. It's one side of it. Big oil leak, you gotta fix that. And then the other side, which would be up on the handle, is wired into the other side right there on that wire nut. And then the motor brake, I just have zip tied closed there, or open, so that it'll, motor brake up on the flywheel won't catch. And let's see what else. I think that's about it. So like I said, if arm it, run myself over. So arm it real quick. You see the lights on. If I get them both in frame here, kill power, light shuts off. So the relay, the relay is normally closed. So whenever that loses power, it shuts, completes the ground loop for the motor kill, and that's what that is. Little cut here. I forgot a couple things. So the big mast here, those are the RC antennas, and I've got them 3D printed bases there, and they're on TPU, so they bend out of the way so you can hit trees and stuff with them and they won't snap off. Then just a carbon fiber tube that the antenna element runs up through, and then the mount is all thread. That's how I get my height adjustment. Got about 3/4 of an inch or so left, and it mows at about half an inch or so, or half an inch, 3 inches. Just plenty for northern part of the country where I'm at. But yeah, that's it. So we'll get this set up in a tripod real quick and do some mowing. Could use it back here, I guess.